just sitting there on texting. I don't know. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. The sun is out, the sky is blue, there's not a cloud to spoil the view. It is beautiful. It's midday, 25 degrees. And I'm going to Altea, which is about an hour and a half from here, north of Alicante. It's a beautiful wee town. I was in it once. So I'm going to sit back, music up high, sing my heart out, and I'll see you in Altea. The weather's wonderful. The weather forecast for the last 2 weeks have absolutely nailed their forecast.
1 hour later.
Altea, and for once I kept my promise and didn't talk the whole way. Now, there is a reason why 11 kilometers is going to take 30 minutes. Something to do with the location we're going to. Can you guess? We are going almost to the top of that in the car. Epic! The turning was way back there, but this is just so beautiful. I just decided to keep going. But I'll have to turn at some point, but oh my god, this area is beautiful. Amazing. But what a spot. There's a roundabout down here, so I'm going to turn and go back. Now we're going to discover why it takes so long to get such a short distance. My oh my. How do I always find myself up high? It may look like I'm not keeping my eye on the road, but I can assure you, I am. Oh, end of road. I'll park up. There's a bit of a view up here, guys. Oh my, amazing, absolutely amazing. Now that is definitely worth the climb. And this is where the whole day started to go wrong.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. cliff so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up.
Have you figured out yet what's about to happen? My drone that I love crashed. It just started to go all wonky and then spun and then dropped to the ground down there. He's beeping away. No. Right. It has a tracker which I've never used. So I'll have to just go and see if I can find it. Probably be broken. Huh. What a day. These things are sent to try us. I'm coming to the edge of what looks like a cliff. Now, according to this, I'm going in the right direction, but it's off the edge of this flipping cliff. Tracker just stopped beeping. Have to admit, this particular moment I am not feeling very optimistic. But in saying that, it's somewhere. Now, the battery typically is out, so I turned it off and back on, and I just heard a wee noise over there. Just for a few seconds it was giving me a and then it died. But I know where it is, I think. Right. At least in its adventure. It's the same colour as these rocks. It's probably in about 10 different bits. I'm usually lucky with things, but your luck has to run out sometime. The tracker has brought me to this bush. Now that's a good thing in the point of view that if it did go down in the bush, it's less liable to be damaged. But it's a bad thing as in, how the flip did I get into the bush?
A few moments later.
I hear it. It's calling out for Daddy. Down there. This is one of these situations where you have to remember you're not a kid anymore. I stumble occasionally, so I'm being super careful. Oh. Hopefully. Oh. Don't know, hopefully. Hopefully what? Ah! I see it, I think. Yep. One leg missing at least. He's a good wee man, but yeah. Flip's sake. All injured. Wonder what he landed on. This looks like about the best area it could have landed. 2 broken legs, wonder what else. But I was expecting more, that's the truth. These propellers are missing. Battery's still in it. Let's see if he turns off. Sorry wee man. Oh, he's in a bad way, he doesn't want to turn off. Cut it off. Poor wee guy. Have to get back up this hill. Not to the top, but a good bit. Right. Good thing is I've been able to put everything in the bag, so apart from my camera, my hands aren't as occupied as they were coming down. Right, Here we go. Let's start.
20 minutes later.
Climbing up. Harder than climbing down. Whew. Halfway. I hope. Whew. It's a bit better. Sorry about the panting. Another rest. I don't know if you can see it. There's even graffiti up here. Egypt's. Oh, and I'm not sunbathing, although I could. Oh, see a car. That's good. That's Benidorm in the distance. Benidorm. Get out of the picture. Us humans have been here in one form or another about 1 million years. And those rocks, they've been there for billions of years. And they've watched what we've done. I read an article at one time talking about age of planet and humans. And if you take the length of time that humans have been on Earth, and you take the length of time that Earth has existed, which I think is around 3 billion years, if you then take the highest building in the world and segment it off for the length of time that we've been here the thickness of a banknote. You talk about us, we're just new. We are. Hasn't taken us long to settle in. Deep climbing all done. My legs are like jelly. I thought I was getting fit, but I'm definitely not fit. Oh, if I had to go any further, I might have had to camp here. Yeah, so folks, my plan today was do this down in Altea. I had a few places to go and visit, but it's now 5:30. I've been doing that for 2.5 hours and I'm done in. So I'm going to leave this one off here and we'll leave the town to another day. I'm even walking harbour. You think I was drunk. So I'm going to leave it off there. Until next time, bye for now. You know, there's 2 videos I had planned on my list to make, and both of them involve climbing fairly steep hills. One of them was at the place that I videoed a few weeks ago, the monastery, but the other one, which was suggested by one of my subscribers, Nico, which isn't far from where I live, but I've realised I couldn't climb either of them, so they're probably not going to get made unless I go on a fitness. I won't. Again, until next time, bye for now.